What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the new iOS 18 beta update is not showing up on your iPhone. First, you should enroll your device to get access to the latest public iOS 18 beta. Open up your Safari browser and head to beta.apple.com. On this page, scroll down and log in with your Apple ID account. If you're not a member yet, then you'll have to sign in. This should only take a couple of seconds when using an iPhone. Next, agree to the Apple Beta Software Program Agreement and enroll your device. You can then close the Safari browser as well as your Settings app using the App Switcher. Force restarting your settings allows it to refresh your eligibility to access developer beta updates, such as the iOS 18 Beta 2 update. In your General Settings, tap on Software Update. The Beta Updates option should show up now. Tap on Beta Updates and select iOS 18 Developer Beta before heading back and downloading the latest iOS version. If the iOS 18 beta is still not showing up, then you likely need to update to a previous version. This applies to iPhones that are still running iOS 16 or later. After making sure your iOS version is up to date, make sure you're using a reliable Wi-Fi connection and that you have enough battery left to download and install the update. You might be required to plug in your iOS device before proceeding with the update. If nothing helped you out, then make sure you logged in to the correct Apple ID account. Back in your main settings, tap on your Apple ID name and log in with the correct account. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.